In today's video, I'll teach you how to set your date of birth in Shopee. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in shopee.ph. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Shopee. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to set your date of birth, what you have to do is click on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see three options over here. Click on this option, My Account. Now you'll be led to the account interface of Shopee. From here, you'll be able to set your date of birth. Make sure the option for My Account is selected and make sure to select this option for profile. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for date of birth. So what you have to do is simply select the date, month and year. Make sure to select the correct date of birth because it cannot be updated. So first of all, select the date over here. Click on the field of date and select it. Likewise, select the month. Now what you have to do is select the year. Now after you select the correct date of birth, click on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up over here. Click on this option OK. Now after you do that, you can see over here your date of birth has been set. So that is how you set your date of birth in Shopee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.